This is post analysis of Audi JPY trade I took at morning. First, I was looking Audi CHF to sell, but Audi CHF is not giving me any good price. I'm looking for this price at least to sell this thing, but it's not. But in Audi CHF, this is my first test, and this was my second test, which is very good, and volume are also very low, which is good for me. But I need a little bit higher price then, and then it seems that it's unable to give me that price. Then I took Audi JPY instead of Audi CHF, because Audi JPY is giving me a nice decent pullback, which is very deep. And in my trade sheet, Audi JPY score more than Audi CHF, which is good. I got in after the B formation and some tests, and I got out immediately because I'm a little bit scared about this trade, because today holiday in JPY, so bank holiday, so I'm a little bit worried because if there is no big boy in JPY market, so why should I trade this, etc., etc. Lots of things taking my mind. I'm out. But after that, I realized that I was too early giving up this my trade, and the trade is now is fully paid out. Thank you guys.